Using more electricity when you have solar panels might actually help you pay off your system faster, even though that sounds kind of backwards at first. So here's the deal. When your solar setup cranks out more energy than you need, that extra juice usually gets sent back to the grid, but you don't always get full value for it. If you bump up your electricity use during the day when your panels are shining bright, you're basically using your own free solar power right away. That means you're not buying as much power from the utility company, which saves you more money instantly. Plus, if your system produces a big surplus, those savings add up quicker, which can shrink the payback time for your whole solar investment. Another thing is timing your high-power tasks, like running the dishwasher or charging electric cars during peak sunlight hours, so you're maximizing your solar energy use instead of pulling from the grid later. Also, consider using smart home devices to shift energy use automatically. Don't forget to check your utility's net metering rules because they affect how much you get credited for extra power sent back. And if you upgrade to a bigger system anticipating higher usage, that upfront cost might be higher, but could pay off faster if you really lean into using that surplus energy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar payback is underestimating their actual electricity usage. They think they'll use less than they really do, which messes with the payback timeline. Fix that by tracking your usage for a few months before installing panels to get a real picture. Another issue is not adjusting habits after installation. If you keep using electricity mostly at night or when the sun is down, you won't fully benefit from your solar system. Try shifting some energy use to daylight hours to fix that. Lastly, ignoring the local net metering policies can hurt your savings because not all utilities credit extra solar power equally. Make sure to research and choose a system size and usage pattern that fits those rules to get the most bang for your buck. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work and grow their business by reaching people who actually need their services.